Engineered in corrosion-resistant materials like stainless steel, these purely mechanical valves ensure uninterrupted process continuity in harsh or remote environments without relying on electricity.
Qingdao iFlow was established in 2010. We are a manufacturer and seller focusing on providing customers with high-quality, fully equipped valves, including accessories. We are a caring family. Ever since we started up, we have been delivering thoughtful care to customers to every detail as we could, address value customer needs, comply with regulations, respond quickly, quote competitively while strictly control quality and lead time. If you are looking for a reliable partner, look no further. We treasure the partnership with every customer, as we deeply understand that only by supporting you to achieve your success can we have our own healthy development.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.